Hi there! Welcome to Quiz I Know. Are you a master chef or a fast food fan? It's time to find out. Today's challenge, food and drink trivia. Don't forget to comment your score. What is the main ingredient in guacamole?
Avocado.
Which country is the origin of pizza? The answer is Italy. What is tofu made from? The answer is soybeans. Which spice is made from the dried bark of a tree? The answer is cinnamon. What is the world's most popular beverage after water? Tea. What is the main spirit used in a Mojito cocktail? The answer is white rum. What type of bread is traditionally used for a French croque monsieur? Brioche, or sourdough, or pain de mie. In cooking, what is al dente referring to? The firmness of cooked pasta to the bite. Which fruit is famously associated with the phrase, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away"? Apple. What is wasabi often mistaken for due to its similar taste and color? Horseradish. Great job! How many did you get right? Let us know your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this challenge, hit the like button and subscribe to Quiz I Know for more brain-teasing videos. See you in the next one!